Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be opening up four blaster boxes of 2022 Topps Garbage Pail Kids Chrome 5. This is going to mark the halfway point once we're through these four boxes. This will be our 20th box opened here out of a 40 box case. We're in the midst of a 72 hobby box challenge, and this is kind of just a little offshoot. Ooh, looks like we're starting off with a hit. Yep, a green. The rest of the pack down there, a green Condo Mini. Very nice. Numbered 268 of 299. Love when you get that hit right out of the way, right at the beginning. At least one hit. Now we're hoping for more hits, of course. All right, so let's finish the rest of this pack. We also got one of the atomic refractors. Very nice. So hold on, camera. Ooh, first pack. Gotta love that. So as I was saying, we are doing a 72 box challenge. Here we are with the first regular refractor. Here's the second atomic refractor. Should be getting 3 atomic refractors and 2 regular refractors in each box. So currently doing a 72 box challenge. We've gotten through 60 of the boxes. And I figured I would sneak in a case of blasters in the mix, just to change things up a little bit before we get to the last case, the last 12 boxes of the 72. So like I said, we've done 60, and we have another 12 to go, which I have in hand, so it's ready to rock and roll. Looks like we got our expected 2 refractors and our expected 3 atomic. So, great box to start us off on this break. Whew. Packs are very, lots and lots of air. Oh, I'm actually squeezing them out. That's weird. Oh, you'd think they would be totally sealed, but I guess not. Oh, looks like we got another hit. Wow. All right. Spencer Dispenser. Another green. So we know it'll be numbered out of 250. Oh, no, 299. 285 of 299. 2 boxes, 2 hits. That's what I like. By the way, those of you following along, I'm putting together some refractor sets. I gave my updates last. Did not get any new additional refractors, so I'm still 3 and 15 away from set number 3 and set number 4. So didn't make any progress last time on the last 4 boxes, but we'll see. Hopefully we'll catch 1 or 2 here. 1 or 2 refractors that we need. Alright, so we got a refractor there and an atomic here. Right, 2 more packs. Looks like we got our atomic refractor. Should get our refractor here. It looks like we did, yep. Very nice. All right, so far so good. 2 boxes, 2 hits. Let's keep it up. Let's see if we can get 3 boxes with 3 hits. Another atomic refractor. So after this case, after I'm done these 40 boxes, which should be 10 videos, doing four each. Oh, looks like we have an upside down here. We'll get right back into the 72 box. So got a refractor and an atomic refractor, the A and the B. I'll tell you, we'll take a look and see. I am very interested to see how this case compares to a hobby case. Got another atomic. All right, no hit in that one, but 3 out of 4 wouldn't be that bad. I think that's what Meatloaf says. 3 out of 4 ain't bad. All right, let's see what we have here. Final box of this break. And that one just does not want to stay there. And can we squeeze out another hit? There's our refractor there, and an atomic refractor here. Nice metallic backs there. And the last pack. Mosquito. Good. Whoop, not going to complain. 2 out of 4, 1 out of every 2 boxes is great. All right, so we got our base cards there. Should be 12 atomics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, looks like we got our 8 refractors. And we got 2 hits. They both happen to be greens. Condo Mini Spencer Dispenser. Numbered 268 of 299. And, oh, look at that. 280. Oh, no, that's 285. Oh, wait, that was 286. 268 of 299. And 285 of 299. Very nice. All right, 2 more greens to add to the stack. Thanks so much for watching. No 101s, but who knows? It could be lurking in this case. Thanks so much for watching.